From the perspective of a scientific committee like EPOS, what are you looking for when someone applies for a grant through EPOS?
Thank you for the question. Well, at that point, we are not looking at whether the idea is interesting or whether the methodology is correct. We are looking at the whole project as a credible plan. That means asking whether the question is clearly translated into a feasible study, whether the methodology is strong enough to answer, whether the clinical relevance is clear, whether the team has the right expertise, and whether the resources and budget are realistic. In other words, the committee tries to assess whether a good idea has become a project that can actually be completed and produce useful knowledge for problems.
Excellent. So besides methodology, Cesar, how important is clinical relevance?
Well, I think it's fundamental. EPOS is a pediatric orthopedic society, so we want to support research that can improve care for children and families. A project should help us improve outcomes, understand a condition better, or change clinical practice.
But what about originality? Is innovation always necessary?
Yes, originality is important, but it does not always mean doing something completely new. A project can be valuable because it studies a poorly understood question with better methodology, because it uses multi-center collaboration, or because it includes outcomes that were previously neglected, such as quality of life, function, or treatment burden for the family, for example.